I've got several kinds of tapes here that I'm going to be using to put right here, and then we're going to paint this and we're going to peel the tape off and see which ones are.
No, that's not a good piece of.
That's what I didn't have, was my knife. So we'll start with this first piece here. We'll push it down really good. And we have here for rough surfaces. So we're making sure we push it down firmly. So here we got your ultra sharp, here you got rough surface, here you got contractor grade masking tape, just your regular. This is Blue Frog tape, medium, supposed to be medium strength. Now with the Blue Frog tape, it's recommended that you wet these edges to activate the paint block barrier. So here I have a little bit of water, and we will wet the edges of this tape here. Okay. And then here we have Sure tape. Premium grade. Just like so. So here we have exterior surface, waterproof, weather resistant. We'll try this tape too. And then here we have just regular original blue tape. So this is what I use normally when I do lines. All right. And then what I do is I take a little bit of lightweight spackle. And I put it right on the edge here. So just a little bit. Okay. Now that's what I like to do. Another process would be to use some caulking and run a bead just along the edge of your tape like so. And then clean up that. wipe any extra off. Just kind of giving it a little bit of a clean. Okay, so now that all the tape is on here, I'll make sure and push all these tapes down, and then we'll paint them, and we'll see which one holds up. So we're gonna go ahead and paint. And then we'll come back and we'll peel this paint. All right, the moment of truth. So this is Sherline tape.
Fingers though.
So it does a really good job on the smooth wall. Not too well on the orange peel and not too well on the knockdown texture. So here's your rough surface. As you can see, not too well. Does okay on the smooth wall. Not too well there. Here's your regular contractor tape. Not expected to do too well. As you can see here, it doesn't do too well even on the smooth wall. Now this is the frog tape with the micro barrier paint blocking. So let's see how good this does. So this is not too bad. As you can see, there's still some pretty deep grooves that didn't really set the barrier block. And then same thing here, you can see. So this is your Sure tape, premium grade. Not a good job here on the orange peel. Definitely not a good job here. You can see how the paint has seeped through. Obviously not a great job on the knockdown texture either. So this was the extra tape that I threw in there, which is the exterior surfaces. So this tape is, as you can see, peeling off my primer coat. So we definitely wouldn't really want to use this tape inside. Look at this, is just definitely not a tape that you would want to use inside. But as you can see, it didn't do that well of a job anyway. Now this was your regular original blue tape. On this side I used the putty. On this side I used caulking. And a moment of truth. Check that out. So, as you can see, the side with the putty, not too great. Side with the caulking, perfect line. So it looks like this tape with caulking is going to be your best bet. So don't let all these other tapes fool you. This is going to be your #1 choice. And some caulking. All right, cool.